Welcome back to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and last time we gave Shawnee a workout.
Run, Shawnee, run!
Met a friendly troll.
Looks like he wants to help.
And demonstrate my technique on how to control the camera in this game.
You know, switching the camera can be a little bit of pain because I have to use my inappropriate finger to hold the triggers.
Now we shall continue where we left off, and if you haven't seen the first 3 parts, go and watch those first and come back here later. And those who have, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons, Part 4.
What do we got here? Let me just position the camera. Oh, I see. So that was easy. That was easy. Okay, only the little brother can get up there, but we need to find a way to get the big brother down up here with us, because if he goes on that, it will just take him back down. Oh, what about I pulling that chain here? Yep, that works. Oops. Look like we got some worker trolls down there. Oh, fish. Wait a moment, let me just sit on this bench first. Might as well enjoy the scenery here. Now, what are we supposed to do with those little fishes? I don't think it's the good time to eat them, really. Let's go find out, shall we? Huh. One's like to mess about the other. Well, I guess we can't interact with those fish, so I guess we have to keep moving. Yeah, you can probably tell I'm having a little trouble with controlling both characters. Still, It's interesting though. Maybe they should port this to the Switch and have the dual controllers really. Have the, well, you know, the Joy-Cons. I guess one of us had to grab that one first. Don't let go of the trigger. Don't let go of the trigger until... Yep, you're off safe. And you're safe too. Now we need to get you up here. Oh, I guess I got the little one had to keep those at bay while the other one needs to keep moving. So that means, yep. Interesting though. Now things are getting interesting. I better keep up with him. What this do? Uh-oh. Better wind him up. Wind it up quickly so he can get through. Ooh. Nearly let go of the wrong trigger. Oops. I needed that crane on the little brother. And down you go. Oops. Come on, get up there. Gee, the music is now getting more creepier. Whoop. I get they automatically grab onto stuff. Except for branches. Gee, my thumb is actually feeling this now. Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go. Drop you. And we'll drop you on a safe spot. Once again, the scenery. It's a good thing those minor trolls haven't spotted us yet. Are they really trolls? Don't let go, and one of them. Whoa, hurry up, hurry up. Whew! Oh, looks like we'll be using both. Looks like we both will be using this one. Whatever you do, don't let go. Keep the hand on the trigger. The fingers on the trigger. Even though it's killing me. Oh, that doesn't sound good. You keep them moving. Oh, why would you move? Oh boy. Whew. That was close. Huh? Looks like we need to get that key off that troll so we can free that troll. I bet she's her what? I bet she's that troll's wife. Well, good, we can't open it without the key, really. Well, the big brother can't get it, but the little one can. And I think we might have to not stand on those bones. Okay, just need to grab that key. Don't step on the bones, don't step on the bones. That's the... I just realized that, well, it was obvious, really. Don't step on the bones or else the troll will get mad. Oops. And also, don't let go of the key, I just realized. Now let's release the bride of the... of the maiden troll. And you are free. Now let's get out of here. Wait a moment. We're supposed to get out of here? Crap.
Okay, that's the end of part 4. Check back with me for the final part throughout July as I experience the solo co-op adventure. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.